Ni kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haba pasha kathan West Castles District ru, haka Southrik mutau benai rempang arajar kat kendai. Ki kertong ki belathep kerteng hakmat returning officer ha DC office Hanoston, naga benta banyakun ye ke election MDC sya ke HDC, kila dan saungut baro. Kini ki kertong ki belathep kerteng hakani gasngi ki kentom, ye uba gigor merthong, u kertong kaseng NPP, uban yakun na Mountain Road constituency, ubalong ru UMLA bamenta. Nang ta uba S Rashir, u kertong kaseng Kongres na Mountain Road, uba Gabriel Walang kertong kaseng Kongres na Noston, bat uba Bajop Pongrom u kertong kaseng Kongres uban yakon na Rembra Jerngam constituency.
I, Sri Jibur Mathong, having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 29 Mountain Estate District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India. Nakaleng jonga baleng mentakala poin of baniyang biang saksin ya kaneka election kadau hi namarba ila sejbene ila don hi kiba pantiket naga parti jungi tangba adin ba kila pejbene sane satai nakaleng jongki kim sngau sngan adin nangta kila ong no yangi ba yanga ban yat no sakmat hi dalade agane ka kanti.
As a candidate to fill the seat in 27 Northern District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
La kadai ka seat ba kanai ka ladai ka seat ba lai ka ngale election kajing thrang jong ka nga ba ele election ha kanai ka seat ba lai ka long nakarau ka jing yo I ka jing duna ba si ba tham kam ha pa ele ka ka district council ba e ka jing don kam ka long ba pen sai ka ti ka dostur ka khandau ka siap ka jung ba ka ba don kam tam hang ni ngai ba kanai ka land tenure system ka ba hapo district council ka dai ka ba don kam tam hadu kata ba pan ba kata karukom bat kendo bat siap jong kikun kasih khara ki jungi kade bana don no sundon da kabel paka khnang ba ka hok lok trai jungi kanne.
Having been nominated as a candidate to fill a seat in the 28th Rembra Jerngam District Council constituency, do swear in the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India.
Nakaliang jonga ki Dayban cross check namar ba ka Hamdan kum kata KK ki primary unit bat ka block bat ka district layak ikut kum ka procedure bat ka MPC accordingly kala pet ya ki primary unit jong beper bat dia kata kan nongrem ke MPC si karai ban ai tiket ya.
Kum belum tapi hab yakun bat ka bagi we parti ke jing sto jing pi kana election atau pidon kanono ka don ka jingkerman lan bi
hal ka jingkerman ka don bet namar ba ni kat kum ka bangilaya ikisnam ladap ka Kongres Parti hapok ramrai kala anang kiu haus nam LA mensyam stam ni tam saw hajar duna te ka jingkerman ka don bet namar ba MLA jungi rut batrai kam konsensi
atau kan ka jingmi no nyong kato kan ni ngut ki nongkit kam jong parti Kongres ramrai atau kan don yang mana ka jingkta parti hapok kan election mentah.
Politik ngim lawan penhunnya baro kajing mi kajing rong ru kidan ki bami ru kidan te ki barung ru ki buan na bayan ki ki rong te kata kanum dan jing ketai hakar ke bengi pek jadu mentah.